Okay.
Yep. Another hand. Yeah. Straight hands. Back side, front side. Aim.
Whoa, this is... Holy shit. This thing has a kick.
It's empty.
Okay. Whoa.
No, I loaded.
Okay. Here.
Yes. Here. Loaded. Yep. Aim.
Ooh, that's a hard target. Oh.
Loaded.
Try not to hit the girl.
Aiming lower.
Oh, that's a tough target. Wow.
Loaded. And last one. Okay, it's empty.
Wow. This is
Let's
cool.
check.
All right. Ooh, strong smell. Well, I didn't hit the girl, which is good.
It's Glock. No, it's from revolver. Yeah, this one you're shooting from revolver.
Shot him in the hand. I missed. Got him in the side. And then all over.
It's from pistol. 1, 2,
This one wasn't so bad.
4, and 5 is here.
Wow. Cool.
Yep, it's normally.
All right.
Okay, next. Two weapons.
Oh, shit.
This is a pistol TT, pistol Tokarev from 1930s. This pistol made in 1952, but start make this model pistol, it's 1930s. It's most popular in Second World War.
Okay.
From Soviet forces. This one is from today, it's from Switzerland, BNT, 9mm. I'm shooting with 9mm bullets. It's a red dot. Stay in this position. Left hand is here, right here. Pressing shoulder, elbow up, cheek down, looking in the scope, and you see a red point. Where is the red point? Into place goes a bullet. With this one you can take 5 headshots, save a woman. Yeah? It's a very good weapon. Okay, this is a weapon for saving to woman, and with TT shooting in black target.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, this has some weight to it. Oh, this has some real kick. Okay. Whoa. Okay.
Elbow up. Press here. Cheek down. This eye open. Only with this eye.
Okay.
You see red point?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Aim. And shoot.
Oh, I should be shooting at the other target.
Empty. Okay, let's check. One,
Got his hand on the
Two.
side,
3,
the crotch. Oh, that's not bad.
2.
Missed.
About TT. You're shooting everywhere, but not in target.
Oh, yeah.
Oh no, sorry.
Oh, I
This
hit the
is
woman.
From TT. Woman is alive. It's
Cool.
okay. No, you're shooting with rifles. Pistol. So, next rifles. First rifle. It's a AK-101. It's from Russia. Made in 1990s for Europe, for hunters, and shooting with NATO standard bullets, 556 caliber. Left hand here, right here, stay in sideway. Pressing shoulder, cheek down, aiming, and 5 bullets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Speed is up to you. But you stay a longer time, this hand moving more and more and more. It's heavy.
Oh, okay.
It's in the first target. In the second target, you're shooting with Zigzauer patrol. It's a modern weapon, it's a weapon from today. NATO standard bullets. Aiming pads. Dioptrical, you need looking here in this circle.
Yeah.
And you need see this one.
Oh, okay.
And this in the middle.
Es paņemšu spasu un es paņemšu revolveru, ok?
Revolveris izšāva, bet spāsos tu izšaušu.
Tev divas pasu ir,
Nu tad ņem vienu. Es neesmu aiznesis.
Pēc tam simtnieci viņi maksās tev, tu zini.
Viņš, ja?
Jā. Tā man
Es neesmu aiznesis pasu promises.
Nē, reku tev ir priekšā.
No revolveru tu man nofenderēji vienīgo.
Nemūti, tu tur otrs.
Es jau atpakaļ esmu nolicis.
Bet jau teicu, ka tu izšāvi revolveru.
Jā, šito jā. Okay. About this one. You need looking this in here in the circle. Yeah. And you need see first front side. This one in the middle. Yeah?
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, this is heavy. Oh.
Aiming with this eye.
Cool. Oh. Wow. Yeah, it's a lot of weight. Oh.
Okay.
Well, that's that one was hard.
Okay, let's go.
Take a look.
Okay.
Ooh, okay, I didn't hit the woman.
3, 4, 5. Woman's alive.
Yeah.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where is 5? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Probably went way off. Cool.
Okay, and last 2 weapons. So shotguns. Shooting with 12 caliber bullets. It's a one big bullet. Okay, you start shooting with Winchester. First bullet I'm loaded. About aiming parts. It's a backside. When the backside is ended, in this place, in the
Yeah.
middle, you need see only a top of this yellow dot.
Okay.
Only a top, here in the middle. Left hand's here, right here. First bullet I'm loaded. Pressing shoulder, cheek down. Aiming, bam, first bullet is out. Reload, shoot again. Reload, shoot again. Yep. All time.
Okay.
And in the first target. In the second target. Frenchie's pass. It's a semi-automatic, 4 bullets. Aiming parts, backside, front side. Left hand's here or here, what you want, but don't put here.
Okay.
It's a moving part. Take a weapon, pressing shoulder, aiming, and 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trigger is locked. When you press it, safety button,
okay.
trigger is working. Yeah. Hold safety button and shooting. With this one, kickback is very good. You need hold to.
Okay.
Okay, gun's loaded.
Oh.
Aiming with this eye.
Oh.
Reload. Empty.
Wow. Whew. Oh.
Okay, it's empty.
Wow.
It's a nice, yep.
Yeah, wow.
Okay, let's check.
Oh, I think I killed the woman? No, I didn't. Or
No, bullet's alive. Almost got somewhere.
oh,
2, 3, 4,
damn.
5, 6. With spas, first bullet you're shooting here, yep?
Yeah. Oh,
Okay, it's from Winchester, this one. Okay, if you want, you can take a targets with you.
no, it's all good. I got it on camera. That was awesome. Subscribe to the Travel Experience de Voyage channel. Tap the bell and join the conversation on the comment section below.